Hello students, last day we learned 4 questions from the first exercise. Let us continue learning the problems. See, these problems I am explaining for some of the students who have no idea about these answers. Those who have written these problems in your classwork already, it's well and good. Now let us see these 2 problems. Represent 6, -4, 0 and 4 on number line. See, you know this is a number line. Let us write 0 here. First one we have written. Positive integers will be on the right hand side. So this is for 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 can be written here. 5, 6. So these 3 numbers we have already represented on the number line. What is remaining? -4. Negative integers will be on the left side of 0. So this is for -1, -2, -3, -4. Let us write -4 here. So we have written all the numbers on the number line we have represented. Now fill the missing integers on the number line given below. Left of 0 we have negative integers. Let us start from here. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 is there already, -6, -7, -8. Right hand side we have +1, +2. Positive integers can be written without any symbol. It doesn't mean that 0 is positive. 0 is neither positive nor negative. 3, 4 is there already, 5, 6, 7, 8 is there already, 9. So we have given all the, we have entered all the missing integers on the number line. Let us see next question. Next question. The temperatures of 5 cities in India on a particular day are shown on the number line given here. 5 cities: Kasauli, Manali, Nainital, Ooty and Bangalore. So based on this line, number line, you have to answer all these questions. Let us solve it one by one. Solutions. First one, write the temperatures of the cities marked on it. 5 cities are marked. Let us write those cities first. Kasauli. Let us find out. Manali, Kasauli, what is the temperature? Let us see. 0 is marked here. -5 is here. Let's see, -6, -7, -8, -9 degrees Celsius. -9 degrees Celsius is the temperature of Kasauli. Manali, 5 is there, 6, 7, -7. You know, when we come from 0 to left side, negative integers are there. Right of 0 we have positive integers. -7 degrees Celsius. Now what is the next place? Nainital. What is the temperature? -1, -2, this is 0. -1, -2, -3. -3 degree Celsius. Next place, Ooty. What is the temperature? Exactly it is marked 15 degrees Celsius. Next place, Bangalore. 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is not minus, this is a hyphen given there. Okay. Next, second question. Which city has the highest temperature? You know, positive integers are larger. So, last number you see, 20 degrees Celsius. What is that city? Bangalore. Second answer is Bangalore. Third one. Which city has the lowest temperature? Lowest temperature means negative numbers. Where do we have negative numbers? Left side. So as we move from left to right on a number line, the value of the integer is increasing. We have to check the leftmost number, which is that minus 15 minus 10. We can't say, we have to write the city's name, this one. What is that? Kasauli. Which cities have temperature less than 0 degrees Celsius? Less than 0 degrees Celsius, in the sense you have to check the temperature cities on the left side of 0. That is Kasauli, Manali and Nainital. Kasauli, Manali and Nainital. Next, name the cities with the temperature more than 0 degrees Celsius. If you want to check the temperatures more than 0 degrees Celsius, you have to check right side of 0. Okay, that means when we turn towards the page, or when in my case when I turn towards the board, my right side, that means 0's right side, we have to see, means this side. What are they? Cities, we have two cities here, Ooty and Bangalore. Ooty and Bangalore. So these are the solutions. Let us do a second exercise. Next day, all of you write these answers neatly. Everybody should maintain the neatness. When you have to write the solution. After each one, you must draw a line beautifully. That also using a scale and pencil. So don't forget all these things. Copy down the answers and practice them.